Welcome to the show.
I like to go to the shop to buy bread. When you buy bread, you need to buy butter, eggs, jam.
I didn't see, but I feel like information you can more Mafarata things on all of the
Exactly, Maria. One gonna get share on but
Maragaret is strictly business. The sort of phone lesson about to lean a man.
business affair.
Yeah, I want to go well.
Mzomnyama ahlanganele. In 3 years to come, 4 years to come, Mtori Range, it will be big.
Enoke charity podcast. Itlang fa go wena jaaka hale re mo this place na bra fela msimane wa ntla wa motsonga wa khatla ku sele wa khatla e le yona wa charity podcast rona ke rona ka wena gompieno re na le re reke yo ke Lucas CMC re dumela
Ya dumela le kae?
ka dumela le baboedi kwa hae kwa me wa bole lore wa mohetso ke mo.
All right. Yeah, no. Thank you for the invite. Ke rata go dumedisa the viewers at home. Le bo botle ba tlebe ba tlo bohelang this podcast.
Okay. Re Lucas aka Jero. O timile ka eng tlemo?
Yeah, ka lebitso as already said we buile ke Lucas CMC well known as Jero.
Jero, yes.
Yeah, mostly bare ke Jero wa ball.
Jero wa ball.
Yeah. So ha bare Jero wa ball mostly bara ena o. Ile ka ball mo hae.
Wa ball mo le gore okay, I ke kwena o mo le gore wa o coach.
Yes, I'm a football coach. Yeah, a qualified one. Football coach.
Wow.
with the D license. And then also I'm a tournament organizer for Namu High Kaka Bena ya Jero Bolo Foundation.
Yeah.
And then we have also registered the Jero Bolo Foundation. It's an NPO right now. So I'm the chairperson of that Jero Bolo Foundation. I'm the head coach of Eersterus Downs Football Club. And I'm also a mentor. Yeah, I mentor a lot of kids in my Mokasini Arena. Yeah, in a nutshell, that's what I'll tell you, right? Mostly Jero, they know him ga football. They say about Jero ball.
I get
exactly my brother.
All right. Apart from who coach, no to Tamika yona football.
Exactly. Yeah, I was mostly they will tell you about don't blow your own horn.
Yeah.
Mara, yes, I was a very good player.
Yeah.
And then that's the reason why getting into coaching.
Yeah.
It is because I played football for a long time. And also went for trials. I went for trials in Devon, went for trials. Almost South Africa ka ofela nentse ke trials. So I was a footballer.
Yeah.
Ne ke dlala football serious. Mo hae ke dlala bo Eersterus Kings. And then I also went to one academy in Jozi. It was called Chipea Football Academy.
Yeah.
The other name na ba berekisana ba ke Bekezela.
Yeah.
And then it also yona Bekezela also produced a lot of players that did dlala professional. Bo Remo Hamutsa ba tsene kwa and kana kwa tsena kwa was there.
Yeah.
So yes, before I was a coach, I was a football player.
Okay.
Played football.
You played football. No time ka mo le hareng khotso no le keeper khotso no le striker.
A very good midfielder with a left foot. Midfield. Yeah, as a left footer. Even no ball, the kid can see or this one played football. Yeah, I was a very good midfielder.
Football because but because coach I we just was coach even though bang ka coach ka thalo ga ke fele lona wa tsamka football but wena ka he thalo sa ro we tsamke le ball. Okay, this thing ya football ka hore e bontsha ka re ke se se lengwe wa serata apart from tsamka football ke eng se se ngwa sira during your spare time.
Most of my time I'm involved in football, Mara. Through football, as I've alluded, I've formed an NPO.
Yeah.
The very same Jero Bolo Foundation is an NPO organization.
Yeah.
A dilang le go thusa bana ba ba leng underprivileged mo high.
Yeah.
Got school shoes. lady sanitary towels. So that's another baby that I'm pushing, that I do most of my spare time. Yeah, but personally, I do have some piece job there and there. Currently, or recently, not currently, recently, I was doing the ball driving. Yeah, I was a ball driver, but the problem was in the car. I had challenges with the car, but now I'm back strictly to coaching football. Yeah, but those are my two babies: football or coaching the young boys at home. But I must not say only young boys, because I also have girls.
Yes.
By incorporated into the team, but also as well outside football, Repusha and NPO Yarena. That helps the underprivileged kids in our community.
Okay.
Sure.
Going back.
Yeah.
King ball driving, because of it's the first time you're working.
All right. Yeah. Ball driving, it's only Uber.
Yeah,
it's only
it's
an Uber.
Bolt driving.
Bolt and Uber. So they work. That's one. Similar. People request you drive them to their destination, those kind of things. So recently I was doing that around Pretoria. Yes.
Okay. O tswaletse ona mo Eersterus kgotsa o tlhahole ko wa holela.
Born and bred in Eersterus.
Wow.
Ke ngwana wa mo. That is why I even always say ke tlo ke batla go ipona ke tsosolosa our community, because I'm born and bred here. Everything that has happened in my life has happened in this community. Ya New Eersterus. Yes.
Ka ho lebile ka mo tsona tsa misetso tsa metshameko. So far he o lebeletse yona soccer e nkareng ke kgwele ya maoto. If it mo standarding se sefeng se le gore wena o ya ka wena mo standarding se spila khotsa e santse batla gore o elevate fa le fa
football as a whole. I'll say maybe probably because aka utlwa maybe ora development or football as a whole.
Development. Development.
Okay, because right now mostly we do development. More high we do with development.
Yes.
The only thing I can say if you get to a level or now, it's a job.
It's a job.
It's a business. Football. Even though not more development, it's a business. So in a business football now, you need a challenge.
Okay.
It needs money or run or raising. Understand? So I will say if it leads to a point that now it's business related than football. But here re na ba re le mo ha ba ratang football, ba ratang ho tlhokomela bana, ra ba zama ho fitla, because also yona the negative side there yona e batla connection. Or bana ba rena ba fitle to the level, yes, e batla connection, but we still try. We still try or bana ba felletse ba fitlile go sentseng ba fitlhe ko teng. So yes, I will say football e hodile in our country. E hodile, and then ho hola ha yona. Remember ha e hola ira chelete. E tlo khosa lo go be le di challenges, go be le di corruption, those things will always be there because there's money involved. So ke tsona fela tso ka re kopana le tsona tse di re tshwenya,
especially the challenges.
Yes. So those are the challenges, and then we re tsenela thata into the challenges. We kerata o bolella all the local footballer coaches, because we always have the similar challenges tsa football mo hae. Number one, I'll say is the support
from the parents or the community as such.
You start with the parents, because parents are the before you can even talk about the community, we need to get with the parents. Before support the bana. So most of the time we struggle with that, because football, as I was alluding on, you need a challenge. We have to register the teams in the league. That's the first thing. If Obatla or Velevana in Norbatsambiga in a formal league, because or formal football. Because so most of the time now my team is affiliated. Eersterus Towns is affiliated to Hammanskraal Local Football Association. Meaning most of our games are outside of our cars. So it means you need the transport.
And then
That's
why Benjamin.
More. You need the transport. So mostly, you need the support of the parents and the community in America. But also, we lack that support. As you can ask a lot of coaches in our community or owners of the football teams, we lack the support. But we try. We try. There and then, and as for you can't say we paint all the parents with the same brush. As for they are there and there, but support. They don't care. And then again, the other thing that is worrying, I always say this, information. And then when people talk from not having information, but talk about dangerous. You know, somebody will talk about maybe especially that's what they say. When you have a local football, all they think about is that you are making money. You are making money, and that's the most one. If people, I also feel like that. I always tell the local coaches, or maybe sometimes we need to have an indaba. Football, where we can tell them, or even more, it's worse. You see, in development, that is more you spend money than having money. There's no money. Because if you are saying we have money, the other thing is that bana sentse ba ebolo sentse ba ntse tšhelete ya go patela transport he tšhelete e short ga gona re transporta a ka botsa bana gore tšhelete ya short. It's up to you. You have to pay the registrations for bana, you have to pay the affiliations. So even though we dive too much into it, but I'm happy already because those are the most important things that we face as local people in football. We struggle a lot with the support. We struggle a lot financial is the most difficult one, but also I want to give thanks to the parents. Now at least, even though I complain, but now it can be 50%. In my life I do have the support of the parents, even though it's not 100%, it's 50%, but we do have those support. At least they are willing to help.
So is there any time you pop out your money from your pocket when it needs to be from your own pocket?
Always. There's no free weekend. No longer this weekend I'm not. For example, I'll make just a practical example. The affiliation, league, just to be there, to affiliate over there. As I said, there's 3.2 in our league for all the divisions. Talk about under 11, 13, 15, 17, and senior team. But for the club to be there, you also have to pop out money from your own pocket. When you go away games, you have to transport. During the week while you are training the boys, the ball is fair. You have to pop up money to buy the balls. So another thing that's also good on me. Now I'm one of those people who are believing a man is not an island. You can't. So I make proper relationships and friendships with people around. They'll never help, but when I saw the so now most of the people they do help. I'll get people that will buy soccer balls for me. I'll have people that will maybe buy the jersey for me. There's a moment where the very same owner of this place gave us a full set of a jersey. We do have that jersey.
Much love to those who didn't.
Exactly. Thank you. We have to say shout out to them. I understand. We do have those kind of people that helps. There and there, they'll buy you soccer balls. Or For example, we also host the award train for my club. I host award. You host them. In this place, this place for free. So those people, yes, that's why I believe no man is an island. In our football, you have to have build relationships. There and there, they will help you. Other than that, you're gonna struggle. And if you struggle, you're gonna close the club. And not close that team. Because it's important. It doesn't matter how somebody says what. But it's important thing. Bana, they see what you do. Understand? We can have those people that are negative because and then now I always say negativity comes from people who are unhappy with their lives. Understand? And then also from people who don't have the knowledge of what's happening. So sometimes you put yourself in their shoes so that Oscar Yeah, you put yourself in their shoes. They don't know. They just think it's like that. So when they start to criticize or maybe I would just don't worry. They don't have the information. Yeah, they don't have the knowledge. When I worry, these kids, they know the importance. How in their lives. Every single day, they know. I understand. So other people don't have the knowledge.
Okay.
So sometimes you just have to don't worry, understand, or they don't understand what is happening.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, Arire Gutlo Buaga Kangauri, you are also a tournament organizer.
Yes.
So, when I lead tournament, Kilewari organizer on Amokasim.
Yes. The edition that we are going to do in the 2025 will be the 8th edition. We call it Jero Bolo tournament, annual tournament.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been running for 8. This will be the 8th year.
Yeah.
This year. Maybe multi but try spread.
Yeah.
And then also thank you for that question. Because this tournament I also need to talk about it because this tournament is a very unique tournament.
Okay.
I think the way Narisamega, nobody plays a tournament like this or even outside of our community.
Yeah.
Tournament arena involve the whole community.
Yeah.
With the seniors are club. We play with the blocks.
Okay,
All the blocks.
All the blocks.
Our blocks by the team. They select their own players by the team. They are affiliate. We have probably most of the time we always say top 8. Because first come first serve. Because we are not forcing anyone to play.
Yeah.
But we are trying to involve the community through this tournament.
Yeah.
Because the aim of this tournament is to give back to the community.
Yes.
Yeah. Every year we do that. We've been donating school shoes, like I said, in Momatomo and sanitary towels. We started with Rapello Primary School. We did it with Mat because we believe we start but also remember we also have Bana by long teenage years.
Yes.
So we've been doing that. So this year our plan with this tournament was to generate or raise funds to have 100 school shoes and then 1,000 sanitary towels. The project still on, still ongoing, and the process is still ongoing. And then we are not giving up.
Okay.
We are not giving up. We are trying our level best. Or I do have people that works with me in this NPO Jero Ball.
Yeah.
Run in this tournament. I do have people that I work with. They are helping.
Yeah.
And then anybody can donate the school shoes. Anybody can reach Jero Bolo Foundation. Jero Bolo Foundation can be reached anywhere because on social media we are active. We can be reached there. So this tournament caters for everyone.
Yeah.
During the Easter tournament in those 3 days, also, but they don't pay anything.
Yeah.
They don't pay anything at all. They come but the tournament runs. This tournament is being loved by the community.
Yeah.
Honestly speaking, I'll tell you that is why I keep pushing is because I have the support of the community every year.
So okay, every year. Mo uira hangwe kotsa habidi pisara.
Ke etsa hawan ka Easter. Okay. Tournament there, Easter tournament. Fair. Like we do it Easter fair. That is why when we say we are targeting 1,000 because we realize we can even try to help. Mara, we cannot reach everyone.
Yeah.
So that is why when we say if we can at least get 2,000 sanitary towels, and then 200 school shoes, we will know at least we to cover everyone.
Okay.
At least. So this tournament, like I kept saying, it's a unique tournament. Any other place.
Yeah.
Tournament to get the club. Did any tournaments everywhere? We are also we are on Hammanskraal and there's no tournament like this. Tournament there and then people check out can we get in no. This one covers all the blocks from block A
up until
Rival America. F4. But we only caters for 8 teams.
Yeah.
Those teams they come from blocks. Anyone can play. Anyone. And then we also allow people to duplicate their teams. Duplicate it means we can have block F4
yes.
as long as they are affiliated. Because I'm trying to avoid what? On block F4. Section black F4 section how that side. When you do the team, go and not like meeting F4 ke go.
Yeah.
Okay, tarela group a certain area.
Really.
Yeah, so another person agana represent the F4.
F4.
Yeah, but another section we
is-
allow that because this tournament is for the community. Because if I always do that, even leader meetings, when you come into the rules and everything, it's like the people who are representing the blocks because it's for the community. Well, it's for the community because after this tournament I felt we donate.
Again?
Yeah, we give back to the community.
Yeah.
So that is the thing. That's why I have also this motto: you don't have to be a millionaire
Again?
to donate.
To donate.
Yeah,
At least that
You can.
Yeah.
School shoes go pep is 135. Somewhere go the other shops maybe Vascara promote or that. But school shoes are like sanitary towels is 5 rand. You buy them, you call me. As I said, I'm willing to go anywhere to collect those things.
Yeah.
Because it's for a good cause. It's for our community. I thank you, my brother.
Bro, asi di tseleng hore re ka nante re tshilulanyana fa le fala ke.
Ke a leboha.
So, e le gore wena o tswetse o le mong kwa lapeng khotsa is there any siblings tse le gore o dan tswana kwa hae?
Maybe if I can say it like this, there is why I go high relevant ball.
Wow.
My
Le batho ba bolo go kwa hae.
Yeah, going through. My mom used to say, "Mama ka nana lo kwata." Go before go for the whole scenario. Mama ka nana lo kwata ho kare bana ba hae ke ba bantši.
Yeah.
Name kwatisa.
Ke tlhaloganya.
Because my mom loved bana ba hae kaofela.
Yeah. Equally so.
Yeah, we are 8 at home.
And then how many boys, how many girls?
We have 3 girls and 5 boys.
Oh,
Yeah. Sometimes you can even forget or number more than patela hayo bohela podcaster country abuti why are 8 or we are marai no or we are 8.
Again.
I've got the 2 sisters.
Yeah.
Ba eleng hore ke ba bagolo.
Yeah.
Then it's me.
Yeah.
And I'm the firstborn of the
Of the guys, yeah.
Yeah, and of the boys, but also one girl so we are 8. And all this even one sister here maybe was very involved in sports. Ke hola ntshwara ka letsogo ke tsamaya le ena re ya netball. Lebitso la hae ke Popi. I used to go le ena di netball almost everywhere. Ke ntse ke re moshimane nna ntse ya dlala di netball.
Shout out to your sister, Popi.
Yeah.
You made him.
yeah. I understand. So it's like I kept saying, "Negarata sports, not necessarily even." What happens there? So all my siblings, the brothers, are footballer. I've coached them. Likely enough, because I've coached the siblings. They've always been under me. Yeah, and then I don't know, or maybe I can even go further and tell you about the players that we have produced from Eersterus Downs Football Club.
Especially the siblings.
Yeah.
Okay. Coach ya bona mokatisi eo ne ba sa o fe mathata ka gore wa go lapeng na ba sa tepe and so forth and so on or maybe hotel
I don't know how or go e bia
e bia ka mkhoileng ka teng
ka mkhoileng ka teng ke tlo e bia straight
because if I get like now maybe no go bona favoritism
exactly.
Yeah.
There's one thing that I taught myself as a coach hore he ke le ko bolo I'm no longer a brother.
Yeah, it's two people, one person.
Yeah, I'm the coach. So meaning I treat even my brothers the same.
Equally.
Mara, there was a time when my brothers coach. Especially there is this one that ka football officially kolenya. Kabelo. William Semis. I was very harsh. That's why I wanted to put it like this because he was my brother and I could see potential in him. I was very harsh. Coaching to him, and so he will complain. And I used to complaining not to me. He will complain to my mom. And then my mom was very supportive to me. So my mom will tell me, or maybe I get high, mama or Kabelo alla wena go bolo I used to say that or I come sorry wow I understand. My mama understood the fact that alright this one mama he supported me. He could see this one is very disciplined.
And why
because for footballers whether it's Bararas or sorry, or Bafitle, you need to be disciplined.
So that tough love.
Yeah, yes. I wanted to use that word. Yeah, I was very tough with my brothers. Very, very tough. All of them. Very tough. So that is why they even though by Boni have a hole. When they were young, yeah, when I was coaching them from the under 13s, they will complain. Yeah, they will complain. Every day complain or treat a pet, hey, what. Nobody so they can tell you. They are very supportive.
Okay.
Yeah, no one they will support me. No, you can't even touch me. Yeah, you can't. When you do something, they'll always be there. Born. I can call them anytime. They don't want anything.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I was very tough with them.
Okay. Yeah. And then officially
yeah.
So going back to that, the players start to all
right. In my club, and then I say arrogance, very proud. Very proud. Sometimes you need to tell yourself this. I'm very proud of myself as a coach, and coming from an area that does not have many opportunities
and resources.
Yeah, and resources. Thank you, my brother. Resources. We were able to produce players that can play professional. I'm gonna name them because they are well known. People know.
Yeah.
Our first project or our first protege in our league. That first player that we produced that played professional. It's also the brother that I was talking about, Kabelo William Semis. He played for Polokwane City. He played for Orlando Pirates Development. No any other somewhere or Barry Wood guy produced by Eersterus Football Club.
What did that thing?
Coached by Coach Jero from Eersterus Downs.
Okay.
The second one is Abraham Ngau. Played for Mamelodi Sundowns. Played for Utangoti FC and First Division. Played for what is this? I'm gonna waste time, but he played for a lot of teams. Professional.
Yeah.
Recently was playing for Highbury.
Yeah.
Goalkeeper. He's a goalkeeper.
He's a goalkeeper.
Yeah. Liena, born and bred here, coach here, produced from Eersterus Downs Football Club. After him, we have Peño Tlo. Peño Tlo played for Varsity Cup. Played for Tekis. Peño Tlo. After Peño Tlo, he's still playing. The other one that I'm going to talk about, he's still playing.
Yeah.
We have Kaisom Gun. We call him CK Skanka. Played for Orlando Pirates DDC. Currently under Orbit FC. Loaned to the Rumo Lions. Yeah. After him, we had the 2 or 3 players that currently plays for Mamelodi Sundowns. We have Kawelo Mononyane. We have Tsepi Mpeta, but he's back. Those are the politics of football.
Yes, yeah.
But we produced here, played for Mamelodi Sundowns Development. We also had Bikanyo, but currently he plays for Hammanskraal Academy. Liana was part of Mamelodi Sundowns. Then we also have a lot of them. If I can mention them, we're gonna waste maybe in Gautiala they play semi-professional. Remember we have professional. Back they played professional. They still playing professional.
Yeah.
So we had others that play semi-professional. Now we read ABC. We had a lot of them that we have produced that have played there. Why understand? Yeah. So Joel Sikele, Bongani Mutimunye. We've produced a lot of them. But see against CME they've played. So if we can mention them, we're gonna spend time the whole day here.
Yeah.
So we've done well. We've done well as a team.
Yeah.
And from Ekasi, people living in Abakasi in Hanel. Yeah. Why understand or they can produce those kind of players.
And this one and then happy go feel like Luana Nako.
Yes.
Because of so second healing hands talking from the book. Only but hands ba senyetsa batho di career. O kry le coach.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yeah.
O na le goalkeeper. E leng gore goalkeeper how wa mona wa tshwara.
Yeah.
La Jero na le challenges na le Jero mara ase hands le Jero because of o lebeletse talent ya ditutsi o khona tshwara this football and
yeah.
Ho be le motho o leng gore o batla ho ka reka that goalkeeper of yours are okay fine sharp but reka and then hore aye ko pele ayo bona go pele e seng gore nna re tla be re le go this thing ya gore already se re tsene go PSL support and so on mara re sure gore ba tlilo mmona wena o fetso gane ka yena so a kitse gore o hana ka player a ile o hanna o anisa ke mabaka a ntseng yang
again those like I always use the word those are the politics of football and football in a lot of the politics but if one thing for sure that can make me or say e ka etsang gore kere ke tlo e bolela in a positive and negative way
yeah
sometimes because Rena as coaches we've been long in this football fraternity you know the person wa batlang go tseya mfana sharp he's got money then maybe over to the Antoine tlapa ha wa e bona going somewhere but you know the character of the guy.
Oh, the character.
You know the character of the guy. And then I don't use the word reka because we need to be honest with people. How many players? Yeah, there's not a single player that we got money for him to go professional because that is not the aim. The money to get, that is not the aim. Yeah, when we produce players, change their lives. We are changing lives here. We are not looking at the point where we make money.
Yeah.
I've said there are players that are in Sundown development. Sundowns has not paid us anything.
Even if
but again, we need to be honest. This one I always say go high or go football club. I always tell people.
Yeah.
And we must not be lying to people. Dilemma ya mfano waka wa higher Polokwane City from Pirate.
Yeah.
I will say that is the only chairman that gave us money. That one gave us money. And he was helping the chairman of Polokwane City. He helped a lot.
And they were so
we were not that struggling in the club. But there's one thing that what's that? I don't have money. So I must not have a football club. I must be an agent. I must not own a football club because I don't have money.
Was he regretting you?
Yes. He will tell me straight. No, Jero, you are doing well. We can see you are producing good players.
Yeah.
But you will be an agent
instead of being a coach.
A football owner. He was not even saying a coach. To be a football owner. You don't have money. And he will say straight, with a straight face. And say, Hafeza, answer thousand. Are go and buy soccer balls. Maraka Coupe. A football agent, not a football owner. You don't have money. You will say you don't have money when you can't run a football club. Football club needs money. And sometimes right now, this guy, you don't have money to run. And we struggle.
That means you were not offended.
Yes. Yeah, I used to say that. You don't have money. You can't run football. You don't. It also good is a football agent. So yes, but sometimes to go back to that question now, sometimes people greedy.
Yeah.
Rena as football coaches or you still want to mfano wena so that wena uka wina ka yena.
And then
marangwana uba stagnant because it means he can't even go showcase his talent and then you are also allow opportunity. For this boy, you are closing the opportunity. Sometimes it's that one. That's why I tell you, in a positive and negative way.
Yes,
sometimes it's us coaches just being greedy, man. Those things they are there. Understand? But personally, I try my level best because I always say if there's one player or one has a mind, and then right now we understand football, or I'll tell you this. Right now we understand the business side of football.
Yeah.
The business side of football, I understand. The very same boys who are in development, Sundowns, if they reach the level, there's a process. We have to go through it. Level Sundowns, level SAF, level PSL. They must compensate you. They call it a development fee. If you don't know them, what's a yes? Anyway, but we know these things. Personally I know these things. I know the process, what to do, but you can't receive anything I'll go development. You can't. There's nothing that you'll get. But the moment he signs a professional contract, you know what process to take. We understand.
Then we salam around.
We salam around. You know where to go, what to do. Then you know okay. And then the development fee. Personally, I didn't go here. they're gonna help the team. But this is what we can do for your team.
Yeah.
Because we realize that this team is doing well, let's produce this player. Then we can do this for the team.
Yeah.
But there's a process, Leon. You must go through it.
And then now when I business plan we favor now or or save club.
These big professional teams, but they know what to do. Mara, they want. There are things that they produce.
Yeah.
For this player, he comes from you.
Yeah.
There's this thing we call my SAFA card. That one, it's finally access card. You produce that card, you go to SAFA, and then SAFA will give you the forms to fill so that proof. This is the player. He comes from me. This one. I produce him from this. Now we even have photos to show these boys were under us. That's why photos are important. When they are playing, you take photos so that they can see this one was under you. And then if you don't follow that process, pirate or they won't come to you and say, wow, they want because they have to save man. They have to, but when you have to follow that process, or we are going now, we follow to the last day. This is what I want. Yeah, it's kind of you want to a business player, or this is what I want.
Yeah,
this is what I do. I need this. Yes, I need this because I do this. I can short on a business profile right for that club. Yeah, you show me, brother.
Okay. Number is 081 488 9777 ke nomoro ya mo Shetis please malongoro fa le rata o tla ka kwano me o thabe o khono thaba khobe ka mmutwa o ka tla ka kwano me o le tsona nomoro taxi ya fetsong go di bua ke le ngena 081 488 9777 e santse le mosimane wa ntla wa motsonga wa khatha khosile ba khatla ke easy dog EAZIDAWG tota mo charity podcast rona ke rona ka wena santse rena le Mr Lucas Mr Jero le ngoro santse are tsare be a fala are be a fale ke mo tsetsa metshameko mo le ngora ke sporting coach ba bantsi la mitsi nna ke la ntla ke kopana le wena gore me gongwe ke kopana le wena ke o tsitsi ya le gongwe me le wena wa nkitse tlhelo kopana le
the face facially I know only the face kina loko right na loko pana mara
no fetana
le personal
le na lina Jero ka ditse le ko mo la ke
yes
so okay fine sharpo apart from metshameko tsa metshameko a re football ke metshameko mo fekolong wa sala morao apart from this metshameko wa khula mouth
question e monate bjang and then I'm very biased when it comes to football. I'm very loyal to football to a point that I always tell people okay, I have friends that understand cricket rules, rugby
basketball,
but I can't sit. But I can't sit and watch cricket. I can't sit at home and watch rugby.
Yeah,
like I'm very loyal to football to that extent. Football. There's no other sports. And then the sad part about it, I worked under sports and recreation and we were dealing with all this sporting code.
Yes.
But there I was working as a sports facilitator. So you facilitate. So most of the time it means you don't have to be fully there, but you are you are just facilitating.
Yes.
Yeah. The only thing with sports, interested in getting that.
Yeah.
Go sports and recreation, the indigenous games. You see when fascinate. I used to love them so much to a point that even though I cannot that much of love is there because so now I used to follow them. I wanted to eat. That's the only sport apart from football. But also, I'm not naive.
Yeah.
Through my tournament, Pusha netball.
Yes.
Then you must remember what I said the last time. Yeah, you must remember what I said. My big sister was involved in netball.
She was so fond with
it. During those times, netball mokasi arena. I always tell people, netball mokasi arena nearly active.
Okay.
Like you'll find teams. But now, through the tournament, I struggle to get the netball because I'm trying to revive the netball. Get how revive.
So, okay, and according to what you have already realized, what made it to finish it? What made it to fade that love? Netball.
I think it's also the lifestyle, and then the environment they are in. The mukasi, especially sports, like football. I also believe the parents also, but so the support sport. Yeah, netball. I believe it's very difficult because I've had this conversation with the football, with the netball coaches that I know. They struggle to have kids. And then if you walk around Mokas, kids are just gallivanting. They can just go, netball, active. 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. I don't know about yeah, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. You know, we know they even prepare. They even prepare to go to those places, but they don't prepare to go and play netball. I understand. So, also badly changes. Now, I before NL profile again via football, mara kikono struggle to get. Bana ba to tshameka ball. Ukre maybe ke na le bana kwa under 15 by 15. A ke na ba under 11. Ba under 11 ka short. A ke na ba under 17. Mara because before it was not like that. Before bana ne lo banji. Bana ne lo banji.
Anyway,
bana but now now life has changed to a point where kids are involved in sports. But again, most of the time I blame the parent. Because if finally also Mwanaka forming a netball team, she needs the support. Mara, we don't have it. The environment there, no. But also there's a way that we use these days. Or 2000 because the other thing that I always say, sports is tamale school.
Yes.
Sports is tamale school.
They do kick off. Yes.
Yeah. Mara, do you know hore? But so Bakono stop abana or basketball involved sports. Are sports see disturb abana school.
Yes.
You know that. But these two. Again, I'm gonna be politically correct or what? White people, okay, with their privileges and what not privileges. White people when are involved in sports, they support 100%. White people don't mind or by melengwana or school artswe, bamukapa uswi, bamukapa rugby, bamukapa Rena, you'll find a player or at a ball or one or at a sports. Marwa Woods, coach, I want to play football. I cannot soccer boots. Why they will tell me straight bumpers, why am I interested in this thing? So we do have those kids like that. They can't even pay for the playing that way. So to that question, issue support and issue man, but sometimes again, I think they need a meeting where they will be told the importance. And then I'm gonna divert more, not to divert. I always make an example of this because now I do research. Then I watch the news. The two kids, like also I told the owner of this place. Bana baba 2024, baba padileng bana bo botle mo South Africa academically. Back Cape Town. If you do the research, by two. The other one is a white boy, and the other one I don't know if it's Indian or colored. Negelebele interview baba grade 12, baba padileng everyone for South Africa. Baba two. Baba padileng everyone. The two kids. Do you know when they were interviewed? Baba Butsoro, what do they do in their spare time? The other one plays hockey full time. The other one plays rugby. Maraba padileng everyone in South Africa. But they are involved in sports. Because that's what I'm trying to you understand that, my brother.
Psychologically so.
Happy
if ever wanna participate or partaking more body sports. So if ever ohana wana atamka whatever says tamgang,
especially sports,
especially sports yes. Of who too much go the booking and then at the end of the day, Buka buka ke buka
Ehe.
and don't nentse le buka
Yes.
so tshwantse be le something se go sto mo refresher tlhaloganyo
Yeah.
a ke ngaka but
Yes.
ke nna ke ntse ke tsenela ke ntse ke
Exactly, and we do this research and check. And then also to add on what you are saying, I've asked this question many times, and then again, now I host the parents' meetings. Now I do have those monthly parents' meetings. I ask these questions, and I ask this question because I was also once a kid. Get in school. Let's make an example. Ngwana o tsena grade 12. O tsena school ka 6 o'clock.
yeah
Remember, my matric by the school at 6 o'clock. The whole day you go school.
Yeah.
The whole day you go school. Then you go school. That's a lot.
yeah
You go school at 3:30. How to school at 3:30? He comes home. When I order, abale, because that's what they tell us. That's what. When I order abale, ask I bolo to me this type fail. Okay. Again, we are not doctors. We are not experts.
But obviously,
But are you telling me the brain can grasp anything? Can the brain grasp anything from at a time I will in school 4 o'clock?
Nope.
Do you think that kid look at a book? Anything in that book, I can grasp anything.
Nope.
Like he want or she won't grasp anything. That is the time when one must go and train the mind, train the brain. The brain in its own ways of being trained. By just exercising, doing exercise, he's training the brain.
Right.
Yeah, that's the only way of training the brain. Then one will have refresh. I always make this example when he comes back from training session, he bathes. He train that brain. Then he can go back and do the revision and do everything. You always have a kid is ready to go to school because he's exercising.
Okay.
Mara, our parents, but usually like sport or this step.
That's the state.
Yeah.
But what? A mind is a terrible thing to waste. So how can waste that mind? Pelang ba na bire seleng ba sira mo especially mo mitshameko ba supporting again. Mantalo. Esantile na Simonula one thawa mtsonga wa khatla kusida ba khatla ke izidok. Esantile na charity podcast santile le ka thaman lo le mo share this place ka he untu bona kana le Mr. Jero le nako ke fa ke bona maning ke meka fa perform me wa nka nna lwena 6 days you can
Exactly.
se khanga di puo wa go like o ntse o pusitse go mra me potse e ke na ke kratile hore nka e botsa pele re khaogana khotsa pele re ka e hare kutlo bua ka ba setsana boleng gore le bona o atle o be involved le bona mo this thing ya sport ya coaching a mme ke ba bantsinyana khotsa santse o struggle mo ka palo anyway mo le gore bona ba tshameka e khule ya moto
that one we struggle a lot, and there was a point where ne ke stopa bana ba reng batla kulla ba ladies because I don't have the team ladies, but currently I have the 4 girls. O ka re lata 2 years le bona.
Yeah.
Ba tshameka le bashimane.
These
ones, yeah, they were like these ones they were green. They were na ba le bana ba leng gore I can see gore le nka ba jigisa. Pelo ka to ba two.
Okay.
Ke ba butse ra kana ladies soccer. We've tried in that 2 years.
Yeah.
We've tried to recruit.
To recruit.
Yeah, or rebel team ladies ba join bana ba le ba tshameka. We've tried our level best. Then as I said, it's very difficult. Bana ba banyana mo kasi arena it's a very, now for me it's a true.
Okay.
Most of them they are concentrating on the things that are out of this place. So bana ba absorb.
Yeah.
Yeah, they even have playing card but hala league. Ba absorb ile me ntwenka o botsang yona easy dog arena choice. So file we struggle bana ba lady soccer arena bona. Yeah.
Yeah, ka he setse o tlhalositse gore you are struggling.
Yeah.
Ha jana ke awe gore na le batho ba le gore ba lebeletse yona khatiso e me ba tlo tlhakere ha jana nte re gare le tlhamona re se ra ila tswa bo bera ta ba rentsa bonono ke
Can
go ka salapisa ba bohedi.
all right. Ke rata hore ke a leboha for this invite again. And then to say to the people or re lebohile for support. Everybody all mo high. I wish re ka ba united. And then ke rata
Sorry. Yeah, okay. Hona le potso ke ke
Connect, yeah.
ke le mo ile seng gore ha jana ka he re bua ka metshameko dikolo di sa tshameka a di sana metshameko a mme o na le kitso ka se mo le goreng bana ba sekolo ba sekole ba tshameka ho ba le metshameko ko dikolong.
Yeah, Yona, it also it's a very sad situation because bana ba sale involved in sports. We can talk a lot. I had a project of trying to bring back sports in schools. I even went to Pretoria North, go Junction, to even meet not MEC, somebody ba sports or le art and culture. Yeah. So I also believe those things di tlo batla part 2. Yeah, di tlo batla part 2. There's a lot. I had a project that I was trying to bring back sports in schools. I attended all the schools. The principal na ba irati. I ona school se seng disappointing. Ngene go bolela maka. Ona ba ba iteng ga ba inyane. But I was sent to the relevant people. I waited for them. There was no response. But le nna se le ka emanyana ke bona ka re ba disappoint. But ke nnete sports in schools. Yeah, me outside. But now I had a project of trying to bring back. Yeah, sports in schools. Yeah.
Mo le hatong la bobedi mo le gore ke tla be ke dira edition ya bobedi re tla be re bua thata mo yone mo le gore ke batla go itse gore a mme ke bana ba sekolo a mme ke ba ruta bana a mme ke batsadi khotsa ke yona government e leng gore e dirile gore metshameko sa tlhole e nna teng mo dikolong again.
Yeah, right.
Ha jana ka ba salapisa mme ke tswalle.
Yeah, before ke ba salapisa ke rata ho mention something ya bofelo about the tournament. Batswadi ka le khopela everybody wa community ya New Eersterus, everybody wa itseng gore re na le an annual tournament e bitswang Jero Bolo Foundation. We are looking for your support. Ka le khopela donate school shoes, donate sanitary towels. They are going to bana ba releng ba more. Everything e tle donate wa isiwa mo baneng ba mo hae. There will be an event e leng gore everybody wa e bona a shika nnete dilo tse tle be di donate di isiwa go kae. So ke le khopela, let's come together all of us. Ke khopela di donation tsa di school shoes, ke khopela di donation tsa di sanitary towels. Ke a leboga.
Se nomoro tsa mogala mo leng gore motho fa le go batla ka donate ka o fitlela mo kae le social media.
Yeah, my number is 1. I always say this. My number is 073 6255 314. Go Facebook ke kreiwa mo CMC Lucas Jero. Ke ena o ka nkrea ke account ya ka Facebook e CMC Lucas Jero. You can inbox me, you can text me, you can do anything. And then ke mo ka nkrea mo teng. And then the other maybe this will be the last one. I'm sorry. Ba ka nkuba go high. Enga say mention. Thank you to my wife. No, thank you for the support, my wife. Very supportive in everything that I do. That's one thing I'll say. My brothers, my sisters, my family, they are there for me. They support me. That's a sport and everything. And also those parents, I thank you.
King Saival.
Yeah. It's Timmy Turner from 016 in Team Pitur. Get here.
Hey, yo, it's a boy Kuka PTA Kamaragamba Team Pitur. You know who it is from Guru.
Check Max 012. It's a boy DJ Young Master. I want to get new master.
Yo, this is the ghost, the one and only.
EAZIDAWG on your favorite podcast, charity podcast. Rewena, Kawena.